Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can see from the title, is going to be an updated 3-strand twist out. I'm super excited about this because I have not done a 3-strand twist out in so long. It was like back when I first started doing YouTube videos like 5 years ago. I was looking back at my old videos, so that's what inspired me to go ahead and do a 3-strand twist out on my blown out hair. And I must say I love it a lot. It came out really good. This is how it turned out. In the video you all will see that I had a part down the middle, but I wasn't feeling the middle part, so I just took my hair and pinned it up right here. So yeah, but before I get to the actual tutorial and how I did it, I want to talk about the products that I use. I'll just put a little time stamp on when I actually start doing the 3-strand twist. The products that I use I actually received in a box from Influencer. You guys know that I receive stuff from them a few times or quite a bit out of the year. And this is from Garnier Fructis, but they came out with a like curly hair product line, so I'm super excited about that because I've used Garnier Fructis for a long time, like their shampoos and conditioners, and I've never known them to have like a curly hair product line. So yeah, I actually received 2 of the stylers. I received the butter and the jelly, and that's what I used for my 3-strand twist out. As you guys will see in the video, I did spray my hair with this first because like I said, I blew out my hair because it's winter time and I'm not letting my hair air dry. So I blew it out first, and then I sprayed my hair with this to get it kind of like a little damp, not even damp, but like a little moist. And then I added in the hydrating butter by Garnier Fructis. It has a very light smell, nothing major. It smells like a hair product. I don't know how to describe it, but this is super thick. It's almost like a deep conditioner. I really love this. It's supposed to be very moisturizing to your hair. And then on top of that, I added the jelly. Now this was hard to come up because this is like legit jelly. As y'all can see it like jiggling. Look at this. It's a legit jelly. It's like Jello. Super hard to kind of like dip in and get out because it moves all over your finger or whatnot. But I really like this. It kind of smells like a gel to me a little bit. But this kind of made my hair hard a little bit in certain spots. And this is for shaping, and it's supposed to get rid of frizz. I didn't use much in certain sections, and then I did use a lot in other sections. And I actually prefer how my hair turned out when I used a lot of this. I'll zoom in so you guys can see really quickly like my bottom section of my hair right here. It turned out really good. There's no frizz. It's super defined, and I feel like it'll last a long time. This is the section where I used a lot of the jelly. But yeah, so those were the 2 products that I used. So I'm going to go ahead and go into the actual tutorial. Hi y'all, so right now I have this section left to do. I've done the rest of my hair already. Oh, this looks like it's coming loose a little bit, but this is my updated 3-strand twist tutorial or whatever, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with this part of my hair. And I'm not doing like really small sections. Okay, so I'm gonna spray this section, start at the ends. Get it a little damp, kind of spread that throughout my hair. And first I like to start off with the butter, and y'all, this is super thick. I actually really like this a lot so far. And I'm just gonna spread that all over my hair. And then I'm gonna go in with the jelly, and this is like, y'all can see, literally like Jello. Put that over here. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so y'all can see how I do the 3-strand twist. Hopefully this is not in the way. Alright, so I break it into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. And what I like to do is start in the like far right and then pull it all the way over. So I'm just going to move across the other 2 strands all the way over. Then move those over, then you'll cross that, And you just do that the whole time, literally. So you're just crossing both of the strands. So the one that gets over here in the right side, it crosses both of them, and then they all just keep moving in the same order. And that's literally what I do the whole time, and that's it. And I've gotten a hang of it, and so I can move a lot faster, but I have to look at myself do it, otherwise I'm going to want to braid, because that's what I'm used to. But yeah, that's it the whole time. I think y'all can see better like this. See? Just move it over. And I don't twist it all the way down to the end because that's just too much for me. I take some more of the hydrating butter and just like twist it, and then I also use the jelly so that it's not like frizzy. Alright, and that's it, and then that'll end up curling up by itself. So and that's how the 3-strand twist looks. Zoom out. So that's it for my 3-strand twist. But yeah, we'll see how this 3-strand twist out turns out in the morning. I'll be back doing the takedown and we'll see how my hair feels. If it's fluffy, if it's defined and frizz free, we shall see. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next morning and these are how my 3-strand twists are looking. Still pretty much looks the same from last night. I'll zoom in so y'all can see. Yeah, loving them so far. Alright, so to take them down, I always like to use the oil when I take out like any twist out. And so I'm going to use this coconut oil. budget for the 3-strand twist out. I think it came out really well. And I must say that I really like these products. I feel like if I would have used more of the jelly, I feel like this section that came out like perfect over here, I used a lot of the jelly and I thought it was too much. I feel like the hold, it does make your hair a little bit crunchy with the jelly, but the hold is wonderful and the twist just came out perfectly. Even when I separate it, it doesn't get frizzy at all. So I think it has to do with this jelly, the shaping jelly, and the hydrating my hair, the hydrating butter. My hair feels very moisturized this morning. And yeah, I love it. It's bouncy, it's fluffy, and I use the new Garnier Fructis style curl treat line. Hope you guys enjoyed these products. I really like them. Let me know if you tried them down below. If not, go out and get them because they're very inexpensive. I'll have the link for these products down below in my description. Alright, this is it from this side and from the back, as well as the right side. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Thumbs up this video if you like it, and thumbs up if you'd like to see more hair videos. Thank you all so much, and I'll see y'all in my next video.